Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today we will discuss very important segment of coordinate geometry ICSE class 10th. So let's start. I suggest you seeing this lecture. You should see the previous lecture because in that lecture I have also discussed the basics of coordinate geometry. So let's begin with today's topic, section formula, right? Section formula. Simply suppose that it is a line, each point A, each point B. Coordinates of point is x1, comma y1, and coordinates of point B is x2, comma y2. Any point which is on this line, that is P, and you do not know the coordinates of that point, and this point P divides this line AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, right? Then you should calculate what are the points P. So for this, the formula is the derivation of the formula is not in your course and it is not asked in your examinations, right, students? So do not indulge your effort to understand the derivation of the formula, and that's why I am not discussing the derivation of the formula over here. But else otherwise, if you need it, if you want to understand it, write in comment section. I will also explain that. So the point P, the x coordinate of point P is x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, right? And similarly y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now this state, simply suppose that the point A is minus 4 comma minus 5, 4 comma minus 5, and point B is 6 comma 3. They are dividing this line in the ratio of 2 is to 5. It is 2 and it is 5, right? So what are the coordinates? So x equal to m1 and value of m1 is 2, right? x2 is 6 plus m2 5, and x1 m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 5, and similarly y equal to m1 y2 means 2 into y2 3 plus m2 5 minus 5, right friends, and it is 2 plus 5. So simplifies 12 plus 20 divided by 7, and it is 6 minus 25 by 7. 32 divided by 7 x coordinate, and y is minus 19 by 7. So I think it is clear to you. You have to simply put the coordinates with their respective signs, right? And simple calculation. But uh, uh, learn this formula. If you forget the formula, then as your answer will be wrong. Take another question. Find the ratio question to it, and the ratio in which the points in which the points 5 comma 4 divides the line joining, divides the line joining 2 comma 1 and C1 comma 6 and C1 comma 6. Simply suppose that this is a line, point A is 2 comma 1, it is C1 comma 6, point P, and the coordinates of point P is 5 comma 4, and this divides line this into M1 is to M2. So simply, as you know the formula, write it as x equal to what, M1 x2 plus x1 divided by M1 plus M2, and y M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Simply x equal to what, right? 5 equal to M1, you don't know M1, it is calculated to x2 means 7 plus M2, you have to calculate x1, it means 2, right? 7 and 2, M1 plus M2, multiply it, 5 M1 plus 5 M2 equal to 7 M1 plus 2 M2. It will become 3 M2 equal to 2 M1, right? So M1 upon M2 equal to 3 by 2. So friends, we will get the ratio, right? 2 is to 3. Let us take another question. Next question is, in what ratio joining the points joining the points 4 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 5 divided by x-axis, divided by x-axis, right? So simply suppose that and this is a line, coordinates let us draw. Now this is a coordinate axis, right? Point A, both are positive, so these are okay, 4 comma 2, 3, x positive, y negative, it means something like this point overlie here, right? 3 comma minus 5, and this line is divided by x-axis, right? So suppose it is a p, so the y coordinate always 0, right? And let's take ratio m1 ratio into, let's take this point a, it is a point, right hands. So write the formula x equal to m1 x into x1 divided by m1 in plus m2. Similarly, y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. And what is the value of y? It is 0. m1, you don't know m1, you have to calculate m1. y2, it is a minus 5 plus m2, you don't know m2. Value of y1 is 2 divided by m1 plus m2. And now it multiply 0, so it is a 5 minus 5 m1 plus 2 m2, or m1 5 m1 equal to 2 m2, and m1 upon m2 equal to 2 by 5, right friends? So the ratio of m1 upon m2 is 2:5, and move to the next question. Next question is, calculate the ratio in which, calculate the ratio. So line joining the points, right? Line joining the points, and points each a 4 comma 6 and b minus 5 comma minus 4 divided by y equal to 3, right? So first are the quadrants. It is 4 comma 6, it is both are positive, so line first quadrant. 4 comma 6 is negative, minus 5 comma 4 line third quadrant, right? And y equal to 3. इस लाइन को आप ज्वाइन कर दीजिए, पॉइंट ए अज्यूम कर लीजिए, पॉइंट बी अज्यूम कर लीजिए, y इक्वल टू 3। y इक्वल टू 3 की लाइन कहाँ पर पास करेगी? पॉजिटिव है, ये लाइन यहाँ कहीं पर पास करेगी y इक्वल टू 3, राइट? इस लाइन को आप ऐसे ड्रा कर दीजिए, ये y इक्वल टू 3 की लाइन हो गई। तो इस पर x एक्सिस के कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा क्या होंगे? 0 होंगे। इसको हम पॉइंट p अज्यूम कर लेते हैं, पॉइंट p, और कोऑर्डिनेट 0 गामा 3 always, right? So we will try to find out the coordinates. Then x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x divided by m1 plus m2, right friends? So x is always 0 in this case, m1 we don't know, x2 minus 5, m2 we don't know, x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, and this will be multiplied by that 0 to 0 minus 5m1 plus 4m2 equal to 0, m1 m1 equal to 4m2 m1 upon equal to 4y. So thank you class. In this lecture this much. In very next session we will solve some more questions. So dear students, kindly share and subscribe to Jet Exam Guru YouTube channel and write your comment in comment section. Your comments will help us to modify lecture and make it more and more useful for you people. Thank you class.